You're a sweet pea, aren't you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you got me.
Hey, I got a mouthful. Hang on. Hang on, I got a mouthful. You know, are you full, bud? That's a lot of times how you feed horses. Is you just let them eat like that out of your hand. Or at least that's how I used to.
You want one more?
Hang on, not done chewing.
One more? No? Okay.
He's like, I just don't know about you.
Yeah, hold it flat on your hand, see.
And it scares me.
Well,
just keep your thumb out of his mouth and you'll be alright.
because otherwise your fingers